IM8, what is it? What's in the box? And we're actually gonna do a taste test with my two boys to see, is it really something that tastes good and something that we're gonna take on a daily basis. IM8 Daily Ultimate Essentials is actually a powder. It's a supplement that you add to water, and they claim that it has over 92 ingredients in it and that it can replace up to 16 supplements. For example, it is the equivalent of having a multivitamin, superfood greens and fruits. It provides immunity, electrolytes, adaptogens, probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, CoQ10, MSM for joint and muscle vitality, and it has essential amino acids. So they're claiming that it has one scoop drank daily is going to give you the equivalent of 16 other supplements that you would have to take. They've done a clinical study actually, and it says that after just 30 days, participants in our clinical trial with the San Francisco Research Institute reported the following. 90% of participants felt a noticeable increase in their energy. 81% experienced greater endurance during physical activity. 67% felt less bloated and had improved digestion. And 62% saw visible changes in their health or their hair, skin, and nails. So let's take a look at what's in the box, what came with the subscription that I signed up for. It's a monthly subscription, which you can pause, skip, or cancel at any time. I went ahead and did that because it came with a particular kit, and we're gonna see after 30 days, do I like the product? Do I not like the product? Do I feel different? Do I not feel different? And we're actually gonna have my two boys taste test this as well, so you'll get an honest feedback and reaction. In your box, if you get this, you're gonna have the actual Daily Essentials packet here. It's non-GMO, vegan, allergen-free, no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. I'm always trying to look for a product that has that standard for me personally. You have this cup container that obviously you're gonna consume everything through. It actually screws on, it doesn't just slide on. And with this kit, you're gonna get 5 individual sachets that you can take on the go with you, or if someone wants to just try it, you can give them a try as well. You're gonna get a spoon measurement that you can scoop out for your daily use. You're going to get a container where you can store everything from your packet in here. So on here, you're gonna see things that the focus is cognitive, immunity, energy, renew, hydrate, cardio, boost vitality and energy, strengthening immunity, defense, supports heart health, enhances joint and muscle strength, promotes digestive wellness, enhances cognitive function, nurtures your skin, nails, hair. It just overall is providing a lot of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. On here, it also says that you take 1 scoop a day, right? And you can add it to 8 to 12 ounces of cold water, juice, or smoothies. For you want to mix it up, make it easier for yourself. You can mix it with other products, but I would probably say try it by itself first and see how that taste is. If you don't like the taste, but you see the benefits and you want to feel the benefits, but you still want to continue taking it and you don't like the taste, maybe you mix it in with your smoothie or something else to kind of mask the taste if you don't like it. But we're gonna do a taste test and we'll see if I like it or not. All right, so here we are in the kitchen. In here, we just have plain water, 10 ounces of water. We're gonna open this up. I have my two boys with me, so we're gonna see what does this actually taste like. We'll give you our honest feedback. So in here, how's that smell?
It smells yummy.
Okay, so we're gonna take 1 scoop, as they say. 1 scoop. In here, we're gonna add a whisk to mix it up. Cap, screw on. All right, give it a shake. Okay, give it a shake. All right, lucky shake, lucky shake. All right, cap is opening. Let's see what we got. Okay, each take 1. Cheers. 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 All right. What's your initial reaction, Rand?
Sweet.
You thought that was sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. I felt it was not sweet at all.
I kind of thought it was a little sweet. And a little sour. And I thought it was a little bit of salty at the end.
Do you taste any chocolate?
No.
I didn't taste. Do you taste like berry?
Uh-huh.
I taste berry. I don't taste any chocolate. I didn't think it was sweet at all.
I think it's like this much sweet, and there's salt at the end.
Do you think it's something you need to mix with anything else, or water is fine? Water's fine?
Maybe mix it with something else.
If you mix it, for example, with your shake, you may not taste it as much, but you get all the nutrients. Anything else about it? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being that was the best thing you've ever had, 1 being I would never want to drink it again, where would you rank it?
Like 9 and
An 8?
8.8.
Wow. So you would drink it again? Okay.
7.5.
Would you drink it again?
Yeah.
Would you want to drink it every day?
No.
You?
Maybe not every day.
Okay.
But yeah.
There you go. Honest taste test. Definitely something I could drink every day. It wasn't very grainy. It wasn't a bunch of grit in there when I was drinking it. It seemed very smooth as well. Maybe having that whisk in there and shaking it up helped with that as well. There you have it. A review of IM8, a taste test. Again, I like the taste. I'm going to do it for the next 30 days straight. See how I feel. Am I noticing any differences in my energy, my mood, my digestion? And I'm happy to report back. I'll either note on my YouTube, I'll make another video with an update, or I'll put it on my IG, letting people know if it's something where I'm feeling a noticeable difference. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried IM8 before? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you do it for a full 30 days? I'm not endorsed by the company or the product or anything like that. So this is just an honest review of the product.